Alrighty, here's a quick video to take a look to see if a starter battery in this old Vanagon and the house battery back there, if they share a common ground, will that disrupt current readings at the house battery? So let's get started. We're going to take this amp clamp, we're going to turn it to 20 amps. We're going to set it for DC. We're going to zero it out. And then we're going to put it on the starter battery. It's showing 40 milliamps. There's some loads that is reading right now. Then we're going to go up here to the house battery. You can see that there's a shunt installed. I've never used it. Frankly, once I went to 280 amp hours, I lost all battery anxiety. So I haven't done much measuring. But we're going to take a look at this house battery using another amp clamp that we're going to install on the negative cable. And we're going to turn that on. Take it off again. Zero it out. Let's go ahead and turn the light on. Amp clamp is on. It's reading minus, looks like a couple hundred milliamps for the various loads that are currently on. And the load we're going to use is this car headlight, a 55 watt filament and a 65 watt filament, jumping both. So it is going to be about a load of 115 watts or 9.5 amps. I'm going to ground it to the chassis. So that is where the house battery, the starter battery, and the test light all join at the chassis. And then we're gonna take the positive, connect it to the battery, and watch the load on the house go up to about 9.9 amps. Going back, sorry, that was the starter. Going back to the house battery, there is no load. There's our painfully bright light. Now we're going to remove the load from the starter battery. See, it goes down to its couple hundred milliamps. And we're going to connect that to the house battery and see that that goes up to about 10 amps. Disconnect it. It goes back to zero, close to it. Connect it to the house starter. Keep getting that wrong. We're back reading about 9.66 amps, and the house battery is reading no load.